In this tutorial, we will provide a high-level overview of cloud computing and software as a service, also known as SaaS. The term cloud and SaaS are often used interchangeably. Although they are closely related, cloud and SaaS are not the same thing. We should think about cloud as the group of technologies used to host software. SaaS is the business model used by software companies to allow their customers to access software applications using cloud technologies. In the government, the authoritative document for understanding cloud and SaaS is NIST Publication 800-145. NIST stands for the National Institute of Standards and Technology. This document lists the following characteristics of a cloud: on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. Notice that network access and resource pooling refer to infrastructure. The other three characteristics describe service advantages provided by that infrastructure. SaaS is characterized in the NIST publication as a service model available in a cloud. It provides consumers with the capability to access and use the provider's applications. Cloud and SaaS are not newly created technologies. They evolved from three separate tracks. One track describes the evolution of software license models from perpetual to term licenses with subscriptions. The second track shows the evolution of connectivity culminating with the Internet. The third track details the evolution of hosting models. They started out as just servers and networks, then added more and more services along with more infrastructure. These three tracks then converged in the late 1990s, resulting in cloud and SaaS. The NIST document also describes four basic types of cloud deployment models. They are public, private, community, and hybrid. Public clouds are open to the general public. They can be shared by any number of unrelated entities. Private clouds are created for the exclusive use of a single organization or entity. A hybrid cloud consists of a combination of private cloud and public cloud elements. Community clouds are shared by multiple entities with shared concerns. The cloud itself might be private, public, or hybrid. In November 2010, the Office of Management and Budget, or OMB, issued guidance encouraging the use of cloud resources. In December 2010, the DoD issued guidance that became known as Cloud First. In December 2011, GSA issued a set of government standards for authorizing and approving use of cloud offerings. The program is called FedRAMP, which stands for Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program. Please be aware that although FedRAMP is a necessary approval step for cloud agreements, it may not be sufficient approval in your agency. The 5 common reasons proposed for using cloud infrastructure and SaaS licenses are cost reduction, flexibility, collaboration, speed, and heightened security. ESI encourages you to use an analytical approach to evaluate cloud and SaaS proposals. Test whether the 5 reasons are valid for your circumstances. Cloud or SaaS offerings may not be the best solution for your requirements. Here are a few sample questions to consider. 1. What time horizon did the vendor use for creating its SaaS price? 2. How does that compare with your expected time horizon for using the software? 3. Will you dispose of excess hardware or avoid purchasing some because of the SaaS license? 4. Do you have any control over the timing of upgrades? 5. Can you obtain needed customizations? And 6. How does the vendor meet the government's security requirements? These and other questions can help you validate whether you will receive the expected benefits. The following clauses are especially important in cloud or SaaS agreements: timing of upgrades, availability of customizations, service level agreements or SLAs, and security covenants. SLAs take on additional importance in cloud and SaaS agreements. Since you have no custody or direct control over the resources, you are totally dependent on the vendor. SLAs should be written to define response time to reported defects, time to fix reported defects, and system availability. Please keep in mind that this tutorial serves as a high-level overview of cloud and SaaS offerings, and that these services are dynamic, ever-changing topics. For the most current information about cloud computing and SaaS, please refer to the ESI website for white papers, articles, policy updates, and other postings. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please visit the DoD ESI website for more information and other videos in this series.